Okay, first off, let me apologize in advance for the potato quality of this footage. It's very, very starchy. Yeah, because I'm recording this instead on my knockoff GoPro thing. It says it's 4K, but you better not believe it. Okay, welcome back, everybody, to another episode of our unboxing series. Finally, this should be the final piece of the puzzle, the computer puzzle that we're building. And we got a curved monitor from Samsung. Samsung CF398. Yay. Moniteur Courbet. That's how they say it in French. The country, not the language. Yes. Okay, so let's pop this right open. Oh, unboxing sickle, where are you? I don't know. This is unboxing tiny knife. Take it on, please. Okay. Sir, there we go. Okay, here we have it. This thing's dangerous, jeez. Unboxing sickle's a lot safer. Too bad he couldn't be here to celebrate this momentous occasion. He took a day off, I guess. I don't know. Okay, and here it is. Very curvy. 10 out of 10. Okay. It's awesome. Look at this. Okay, let me set Mr. GoPro down on something that he can't ruin. I don't think he would ruin anything intentionally, you know. He's just a nice little GoPro, just living his day job. Yep. There you go, Mr. GoPro. Pardon the mess. I was doing laundry. Okay. You watching, Mr. GoPro? Better not fall over. Counting on you. Okay. So let's get... Oh my gosh, it's so thin, but so curvy. Okay, here we go. This is beautiful. Jeez. Okay. This is awesome. Okay, look at this profile right here. That is very, 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 very nice. We've got a HDMI input. We have a DPIN? Yes, not a euphemism. Then we have a little microphone jack, and then we have the adapter for it. And on top of that, we have a giant peely. Wait, does it peel off from the screen? Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Oh, it goes further. Whoa! Oh, dang it. Whoa! Yeah. This is fun. Yeah. Great job. Okay. What does it come with? What does it come with? Things! Yay! Okay. Comes with a little stand. Oh, good. It comes with cable. And this looks like the... Is that HDMI or the other one that I actually want? I'm not sure. And get out of here, box. Great job. Okay. So here's what we got so far. Comes with little stands. Am I going to set this up right now? I think I am. As long as Mr. GoPro light is still blinking, as he should. Now, do I plan to use the stand for very long? The answer is no. I plan to... Great, just... Okay. You can go right here, sir. I plan to use monitor mounts, because those are cool, and also I can adjust them however I want. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Okay, there's that. Nice, nice. Then there's this. Thank you. And toss you. And what's this? Another thing. Yeah, okay, so it goes on this little system right here. I guess that attaches like that. We're going to do it fast. Nope, we're not going to do it fast. It's going to take a while. Oh, yes, we are going to do it fast. Yay. And then we just screw this in. Mr. Knife thingy is very far away, so we won't be able to use his help. It's very unhelpful. Okay, we'll just set that up like this for now. Yeah, it just has one single screw in the back of it. It's a very nice monitor. I'm very impressed. And Got the cables, don't really care. Thank you. And yeah, here we go. This has a little thing on the back of it. You just peel off right there. Thank you. Whoa! Off me. Thank you. Okay. And here we go. That looks like a monitor to me. What do you guys think? Looks like a monitor? I thought so. Okay. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. Next up, we're going to set this up and get our computer actually working, which is going to be glorious. I'm looking forward to it. Oh yeah, more peeling things. Perfect. Okay. And is there any more peeling things? There might be. There might. Hey, welcome back. Recording on the knockoff GoPro again. Not BoPro, which is what I almost said. So this is our dumpy little old setup, and since we got this new monitor, and since we don't have our new desk built yet, that'll be in a future video, we will be making a new setup. So yeah, let's get to doing that. Okay. Just took off the monitor mount, now let's install it on new monitor. Panchy. These two things right here. You put it in and then you slide it up. That's on. Perfect. See? Perfect. So, what do you think? This is how it's going to be. It's a little bit bigger than it was before, and a little bit bigger of a screen than I had before. It's a little bit closer, and I think this is a good spot where I'll get the most value out of it. It's not too far. Could still reach just fine. Probably be a little bit closer to it, but I think this will work out nicely. I just need to hook up my laptop. I'll probably set it right here or right here. Not sure which, but we'll figure that one out. And also we'll be able to hook up the computer. And again, this is just a temporary setup until I finish building my desk. Alright. I'm gonna do some cable management now.